Hello, and welcome to the channel. This is Top 5 Dividend Stocks. The performance of dividend stocks can vary over time, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. However, I can provide you with 5 well-known dividend-paying companies that have historically been considered strong dividend stocks. Johnson & Johnson, J&J. A multinational healthcare company known for its pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer healthcare products. Johnson & Johnson has a long history of increasing its dividend payout and has been considered a reliable dividend stock. Procter & Gamble, PG. A consumer goods company that manufactures a wide range of products, including household cleaning supplies, personal care items, and beauty products. Procter & Gamble is known for its consistent dividend payments and has a track record of increasing dividends over time. Coca-Cola, KO. A beverage company with a diverse portfolio of non-alcoholic beverages, including its iconic Coca-Cola brand. Coca-Cola has a strong global presence and has been a consistent dividend payer, making it a popular choice among dividend investors. Verizon Communications, VZ, one of the largest telecommunications companies in the United States, providing wireless and wireline services. Verizon has a history of stable dividends and operates in a sector known for its relative stability and recurring revenue. ExxonMobil Corporation, XOM, a multinational energy company engaged in oil and gas exploration, production, refining, and marketing. ExxonMobil has been known for its dividend payouts and has traditionally attracted income-focused investors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.